The rain fell relentlessly on New York streets, reflecting the turmoil within a determined hacker as he accessed hidden secrets. Old records and a mysterious folder filled his mind, revealing truths that no one wanted acknowledged, yet a warning flashed ominously. Sirens echoed as dark vehicles lined the street. Panic surged within him, prompting a frantic gathering of crucial items. A familiar yet untrustworthy voice called from the door, urging him to open up, but he chose to escape into the rain. He found refuge in a dim cafe, where steam offered comfort amidst the chaos swirling in his mind, pondering his next move. A mysterious woman entered, her icy gaze locking onto him, warning him of the dangers he had unwittingly invited into his life. She revealed knowledge of his actions, placing a jammer on the table, hinting at a connection to the very project he had hacked. Her silence spoke volumes, revealing the gravity of his discovery while he pressed for answers, his heart racing with dread. She warned him of the deadly game he had entered, where survival was the only option, leaving him to ponder his fate. A call from an unknown agency threatened their safety, revealing the dire consequences of his actions and the stakes at play. The revelation struck him hard, understanding that he had unintentionally declared war against powerful forces now hunting him. The relentless rain mirrored the chaos unleashed, as he faced a choice between fleeing or standing firm against the truth. Desperation transformed into determination as he surveyed the cafe, seeking a way to navigate the perilous path ahead. She suggested finding allies, people who understood the project, igniting a mix of fear and excitement within him. He realized he was now a player in a dangerous game, eager yet apprehensive about gaining the trust of others. As they ventured into the storm, the weight of the folder reminded him that this was just the beginning of their journey. They navigated through dark alleys, finally arriving at a hidden door, anticipation building as they prepared to enter. Inside, anxious faces awaited his words, prompting him to speak about the threat he had uncovered, seeking their help. As he shared his story, the room shifted, eyes wide with disbelief and urgency, understanding the need for swift action. Plans formed quickly, invigorating him as he realized he was no longer alone, but part of a larger mission. In quiet reflection, he felt the weight of responsibility, knowing there was no turning back from the path ahead. With a plan in hand, they stepped into the rain-soaked night, adrenaline coursing through their veins as they faced the unknown. The confrontation loomed as they approached the agency's hideouts, each step filled with anticipation and the thrill of adventure. Infiltrating the agency's stronghold, they prepared for battle, the rain masking their movements as hearts raced with anticipation. As dawn broke, he emerged transformed, having faced the unknown, knowing their fight for truth was just beginning.